Number 1. 1965 Plymouth Sport Fury, $9,800, located in Broken Arrow. This 1965 Plymouth Sport Fury is a classic American convertible powered by a strong-running 440 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car is equipped with power steering, making a comfortable and enjoyable drive even today. Despite its age, the engine runs well and offers a satisfying muscular performance. It does show signs of wear and tear. The rear window is broken, and there is noticeable rust on the rear panels. However, the rocker panels are solid with no rust present, indicating a decent structural foundation. Overall, it's a good running and driving vehicle that could serve as a great candidate for restoration or cruising as is. The seller is asking $9,800 and is open to reasonable offers. A clean title is in hand. Number 2, 1974 Dodge Dart Sport, $10,995, located in Rigby, Idaho. Here's a 1974 Dodge Dart Sport being offered for $10,995. While the car wears 340 badging, it currently houses a 318 cubic inch engine mated to a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. The total mileage is unknown, but this vehicle is described as an excellent driver with many recent mechanical upgrades. These include new front ball joints, new front brake calipers and pads, and turned rotors. The front shocks have also been replaced, and the rear drum brakes have been turned. A front-end alignment has been completed, and a new water pump has been installed. The speedometer and radio are currently non-functional, but all other gauges work properly. The windshield wipers and heater are operational, and the front seat has been newly reupholstered. This is a solid, dependable car perfect for someone looking for a vintage ride in good driving condition. Offers are welcome, but only from serious buyers. The seller requests that you read the ad thoroughly and will not respond to questions already answered here. Number 3. 1983 Buick Skylark, low mileage, $3,500, located in Oakland Park. This 1983 Buick Skylark is a true time capsule, showing only 60,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and is a four-door sedan that still carries the comfort and style of early 1980s American luxury. The vehicle is fully loaded and boasts a brand new air conditioning system that blows ice cold, a $1,800 investment. The interior is in flawless condition, making this an excellent deal for someone looking for a reliable, low-mileage classic with vintage charm. Priced at $3,500, it runs great and offers a lot of value for the money. Number 4, 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, $5,100, located in Surrey. This 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 is equipped with a powerful 390 FE V8 engine paired with a Cruise-O-Matic transmission. It shifts smoothly and drives well, with a relatively low mileage of 135,000 kilometers. The car has minimal frame rust and will make an excellent weekend cruiser in its current condition, or could serve as a solid foundation for a full restoration project. Several recent upgrades include a new brake booster and master cylinder, new wheel cylinders on all four corners, and brakes with approximately 90% remaining life. The car features drum brakes all around and brand new tires installed in 2024. The carburetor has been refurbished and a recent tune-up has been completed. Though not pictured, an air cleaner is included. There are some imperfections. The clear coat has flaked off in spots, particularly on the front passenger area and door, and the headliner is still the original and needs replacing. A faint lifter tick is noticeable, but the engine continues to run fine. The rear axle bearings emit some noise when driving above 80 kilometers per hour and should be addressed eventually. The seller is asking $5,100 or best offer, with offers considered only in person. Serious inquiries are welcome by message. Number 5, 1977 Ford Ranchero GT, $5,500, located in Central City, Pennsylvania. For sale is a 1977 Ford Ranchero GT, a unique combination of car and truck styling. Purchased as a project a few years ago, the current owner is now parted with it due to lost interest. The Ranchero is powered by a 351 Windsor V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and is currently running and driving. It recently received new tires and brake work. The car will need additional attention to become a more refined ride. Needed items include carpet, door seals, door armrests, and a replacement heater core. The current one is bypass. The fuel gauge is non-functional. Although not in show condition, this Ranchero is described as a great cruiser with plenty of character. The inspection is expired, and the vehicle is being sold as is. The seller requests that buyers refrain from asking if it's still available. The answer is yes if the listing is active. Asking price is $5,500. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet Nova V8 Custom, $10,500. Located in Washington, D.C. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova Custom is a clean, rust-free classic that offers an excellent base for any enthusiast looking to preserve or personalize a vintage muscle car. It is powered by a reliable 305 cubic inch V8 engine and features power steering and power brakes for a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Both the floors and the trunk are in excellent condition, showing no signs of rot or corrosion. Rare for a car of this era. The vehicle sports a nice paint job and retains its classic body lines, making it a great-looking survivor. Whether you're looking for a dependable weekend cruiser or a solid foundation for a custom build, this Nova is a strong candidate. Priced at $10,500, it's a rust-free beauty ready to hit the road or the workshop. Number 7. 1955 Buick 2-door hardtop custom, 454 Chevy. For speed, $8,750. Located in Maple Grove, Minnesota. This unique 1955 Buick 2-door hardtop is a highly customized vintage hot rod that blends mid-century styling with late 20th century muscle. Originally modified in the late 1970s to early 1980s, this one-of-a-kind build features a front frame swap from an Oldsmobile Cutlass, giving it power steering and front disc brakes. Under the hood is a massive 454 Chevrolet big block engine enhanced with performance upgrades, an 800 CFM double pumper carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, aluminum valve covers, and roller rockers. A hydraulic clutch and 4-speed manual transmission add to its muscle car credentials, though the clutch currently needs work. The car is not drivable at this time and will require installation of a front seat as well. Cosmetic custom touches abound. A 1954 Corvette grille, French headlights, 1956 Packard fins and taillights, a shaved rear bumper with roll pan, and a dash outfitted with race-inspired gauges. This wild build is being sold as is in non-running condition and is offered for $8,750 cash in person only. Located near Osseo, Minnesota, zip 55369. It's a rolling piece of custom car history that just needs a few finishing touches. Number 8. 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, $9,900. Located in East Tucson, Arizona. Available now is this all-original 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, an Arizona car that has lived its life free from rust. It still carries its original, numbers-matching inline 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, showing just 71,000 original miles. The vehicle was repainted once many years ago, but otherwise remains completely original, including the body, drivetrain, and interior. The body is super straight, and the interior is in good condition for its age. It's equipped with factory air conditioning, and while it's not a showpiece, it runs and drives well, making it an ideal patina cruiser. Whether you're a collector looking for originality or a first-time Mustang buyer in search of a solid classic, this car offers authenticity and reliability. Asking price is $9,900. Contact the seller by message or phone to arrange a viewing. Number 9. 1991 Buick Century Limited Wagon, $3,500. Located in Nampa, Idaho. This is a clean and well-maintained station wagon featuring a 3.3-liter V6 engine. The body is straight with no dents, dings, or rattles, an impressive condition for a vehicle of this age. The transmission shifts smoothly, and both the air conditioning and heater work perfectly. The glass is clear and crack-free, and the interior is tidy and comfortable. The vehicle has approximately 189,000 miles and was purchased a year ago from an elderly man whose late wife was the original owner. Since then, the current owner has made several upgrades, including 3% tinted windows, new coil springs, a fresh tune-up, a new alternator and power steering pump, brand new tires, and full moon hubcaps. With $5,500 invested in improvements, this wagon is ready to hit the road. Number 10, 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $6,000, located in Fresno, California. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu is a classic four-door sedan powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The engine runs, but it does require some mechanical attention to reach its full potential. It comes equipped with power steering for easier maneuvering. While not a show car, it offers solid bone for a project, restoration, or just a nostalgia cruiser. Priced at $6,000 or best offer, this Chevelle presents a budget-friendly entry into the world of classic American cars. The seller is not interested in trades. Number 11, 1986 Cadillac Eldorado, $3,000, located in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. Up for sale is a 1986 Cadillac Eldorado in clean, well-maintained condition. This classic luxury coupe runs and drives great, with no major mechanical issues reported. With only 95,000 original miles, the car offers low mileage for its age and has clearly been well cared for. The vehicle is described as super clean, making an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable classic Cadillac to drive or restore. Priced at just $3,000, it's a strong value in vintage American luxury. Number 12, 1965 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe 2D, $14,500, located in Manchester, Connecticut. This 1965 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe is a rust-free California car with only 31,000 miles on the odometer. It runs strong and sounds great, powered by a 300 CI V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. Although the engine is not original to the vehicle, it is factory-stamped HP and delivers surprising performance for its displacement. Upgrades include a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a dual-line power brake system. The car also features power steering and a new dual exhaust system. While it may not be a show car, it is described as very presentable and runs well. This is a solid, vintage cruiser priced at $14,500. If you're looking for a true California survivor with tasteful upgrades, this Skylark deserves a closer look. Number 13, 1979 Pontiac Bonneville Brougham, $10,000, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This exceptionally preserved time capsule has 96,000 original miles and runs and drives beautifully, offering a ride so smooth it feels like a brand new vehicle. Powered by a 4.9L V8, 301 cubic inches, the car is in outstanding mechanical and cosmetic condition. It has had only 3 owners, with the original family owning it since new. The body is rust-free and very solid, and the car is loaded with features. Power windows, locks, seat and trunk, red factory velour interior in near-mint condition, cruise control, tilt steering, and a functioning factory clock, working AC and heat, original AM/FM 8-track stereo, and removable fender skirts. Described as a true time capsule, this car offers unmatched comfort and originality. Priced at $10,000 OBO. Serious inquiries are welcome by phone only. Note emails, please. Number 14, 1975 Mercury Cougar XR, 7 Coupe 2D, $3,500. Location not specified. For sale is a 1975 Mercury Cougar XR, 7 being sold on behalf of the client. The car comes with a lot of original paperwork, including what appears to be the original order sheet and a clean Virginia title. It is equipped with an aftermarket MSD ignition system, but currently does not start, likely due to an issue with the ignition box. However, the engine is not seized and does turn over, possibly a 351 Windsor, unconfirmed. The brakes are functional but will need to be gone through, and while the vehicle rolls freely, it will need to be trailered out. Additional needs include floor repair, a new windshield, and a replacement headliner. With a little work, this could be a rewarding project. Asking price is $3,500, and the seller is open to reasonable offers. Number 15, 1989 Ford Mustang convertible, $1,600, located in Hague, Virginia. Available now is a 1989 Ford Mustang convertible, powered by a 4-cylinder engine. A new battery was recently installed, and the car started right up, indicating that the drivetrain is still functional. This is an ideal low-cost project or entry-level convertible for summer fun. The seller is asking $1,600, but the price is negotiable and open to best offers. Don't miss this chance to own a classic Fox body Mustang at an affordable price.